Hello and welcome to this CSD video tutorial on how to set your revision to existing mode. In this tutorial we will show you how to set your revision to existing mode and what needs to be done before you can do it. To be able to set a revision to existing mode, you first have to fill out the CSD checklist. This is to ensure that important data has been registered and increase the data quality in CSD. The checklist function is a tool that will help the user to check that the well schematic is done the right way. It's also helpful to identify different kinds of errors the user may have done, but it can also identify errors that could have been made in the original drawings. The checklist contains a number of checks and all have to be checked before you can set the revision to existing mode. Here's a short explanation for all the checks. Check well name. Make sure that the well name is correct. Check wellbore name. Make sure that the wellbore name is correct. RKB to tubing hanger. CSD automatically checks that the RKB to tubing hanger value is entered for the wellbore. RKB to MSL. CSD automatically checks that the RKB to MSL value is entered for the wellbore. Total depth. CSD automatically checks that the total depth is entered for the wellbore. Casing data. Make sure that the casing data is correct. Check perforations. Make sure that the perforations have been registered. Check well hole. Make sure that the well hole data has been registered. Check casing cement. Make sure that the casing cement has been registered. Confirm correct survey data. Make sure that the correct survey data has been registered for the wellbore. Check threads. Check that the threads connections are correct. Errors will be detailed presented in the threads report. This you can open by clicking Data and Threads Report. Minimum drift ID. This will be imported automatically from the schematic. Tubing install date. In this column it's possible to ignore errors. If you don't have the correct date, pick Override and insert text in Override reason, then press Enter. Approved by. CSD automatically fills in the username of the engineer approving the schematic. When the checklist has been filled out, you can set the revision to existing mode. Go to Data and Plan to Existing. Now the revision is in existing mode and should be saved and set to read only. This will prevent others from changing anything in your revision. To set it to read only, find your revision in the Explorer, highlight it and check the read only box in the Properties dialog. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If any questions, please get in touch with us in CSD support.